The Cuisinart Elemental 13-cup food processor is good for big jobs and small jobs alike. It comes with a 4.5-cup small working bowl, and that working bowl works with the small blade. In order to assemble it, I start with the stem adapter and then drop the work bowl in place and pull out the small chopping blade. With that in place, I can begin to make my almond butter. You can use any nuts for any nut butter, but this almond butter will be thick and rich and smooth. In less than 2 minutes, I have my very own almond butter. One of the things I love about making your own butters is that you know exactly what goes into it. It's healthy and it's full of protein, and I'm telling you, oh, it is so delicious.